ang sarap ang buhay. Tapos you get to be kind to everyone. And but magbibigay ka kahit wala ka. Yan, natatawa ako minsan kasi wala talaga ako eh. Pero nabibigay pa rin ako, hinahanapan ko ng paraan. Oh, so ayun, yun yung mga ano ko. But I wonder how did you enter the other career? Basta ano, yun nga, kasi I need to get by. And I want to experience things that hindi siya normal sa normal na tao. Tumbling, buha ka Joseph. Ikaw kay tumbling ba na, sunod ko. Siguro pang unwind lang, pang unwind lang, idol. Basta mga uncle, mga mumuob sa ko kay kuhan ko, kanang gidok ka ako. Are you living in QC right now? Hindi po. Seaman mo ko dati. Ayun. Pinatay ng pusa ko yung music natin, guys. Mukha mo na niyo, clingy po gayo. Ayan guys, maraming salamat. But at least you make every dream came true. Naglungag na ba? May kuan, may pagkain, may rice pa, maraming rice na yun niluto ko kanina. Pero nakabili na ako ng ulam, barbecue. Barbecue, petcho, pork, tsaka See, kahit wala akong pera guys, registered ka na under RE broker. Hindi idol, pero idol? Agent mo ko idol, pero wala akong kwento na mga experience niyang seaman ka. I'm not gonna tell something mga ganyan idol. Medyo kasi it's not my story to tell kung yung mga ganun. Pero may mga nangyari naman. Pero I don't want to mga ganun. It can be used against me. I don't want to incriminate myself. Are you still planning to go back as a seafarer? That has never left my plate. It has always been my last resort. If things get shitty or it's not going sa plan, that would be my last resort. It's still on the plate. Andun siya, just to save my save my ass. O, diba? Katulad ditong JP Folgarinas. Ang dami niyang ebas. Ang dami ko daw naka-fan. Lock natin. Stop putting, do not put words into my mouth or stop accusing me of something I did not do. Pangit yun ganun guys. Na telling somebody na or making assumptions towards other people. Pangit nun. Ang less pa ng awareness. Ang ganda pala ng podcast na napakinggan ko kanina. We'll share ko sa inyo. Ang ganda guys. Kumusta naman financial? After having another career, is it doing better? I think it is doing when I started basta malaki naman malaki yung ko. Pero yun nga, ang ganda ng Learn the Art of Stoicism. I've already read that. Yung Hinduism din, nabasa ko na rin. Ano pa ba? Nakakibakar dul. Wala ko bakar na dul? Scholarship na idol. So, ang ganda ng ng pamakinig mo na kayo. Mamaya na Maragin yung podcast yung napagkan ganina guys. Stop asking people to treat you the way you want to be treated. Yun, ang ganda! So, stop asking people to respect you or to treat you the way you want to be treated. Ganda nun guys. Ang ganda guys. Kasi nga in my part na alam mo yun, di ba we require people to treat us the way we wanted kasi nga gusto nating gusto nating fair, gusto nating pero may mga tao talagang kupal and we want them to change.